And the results of the Greek referendum are taking a toll on stock markets and oil prices. A growing number of analysts fear the situation could have serious effects on the already fragile global economy, with Korea being no exception. Our Kwon Soa reports.
It was no big surprise that the results of Greece's referendum dragged down global stock markets at the beginning of the week. European countries were affected the most. There were moderate falls in the US and a plunge across much of Asia. Oil prices saw their biggest decline in 3 months, with US crude plummeting nearly 8%. In Korea, stocks took a blow on Monday after results of the Greek vote were finalized. But Tuesday started on a positive note, with analysts attributing the slight rebound to growing anticipation that Athens would re-engage in negotiations with its creditors. But both the benchmark Kospi and tech-heavy Kosdaq closed off even lower than on Monday, prompting caution against downplaying Greece's effects on the Korean economy. Experts say since Korea does not have deep commerce ties with Greece, with exports accounting for just around $1 billion annually, the effects won't be direct.
Due to psychological factors, foreign investors pulled out their stocks. Whether that's going to be a short-term or long-term issue depends on how smoothly and quickly Greece will negotiate with its creditors.
Voices of concern are being heard across the world.
So we're seeing an increase in volatility. The VIX has spiked because of this, and we're going to see a global sell-off because there is so much uncertainty.
It's a catastrophic scenario for the markets. It could not be worse because in case of a new disagreement between the creditors and the Greek government, we are moving towards a Greek request to exit the Eurozone.
And the prospect of that Brexit is a major concern. There is fear that it could set off a rash of similar cases that could destabilize the entire European community and even impact the US Fed's ability to raise interest rates later this year. Kwon Soa, Arirang News.